Now we want to differentiate the trigonometrical function. These are all the trigonometrical functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, these are the values are to be calculated by the first principal rule in class 11. So we have to differentiate sin x, differentiate cos x, differentiate tan x, cot x, cosec x and sec x. The first rule is that the differentiate start with the letter of c, so their derivative value is negative. Here cos x derivative negative, cot x derivative is negative, cosec x derivative is negative. I repeat again, the derivative start with the letter c, their value is what? Negative. So the derivative of sin x is cos x. You can learn it. D by ds of cos x is minus sin x, d by ds tan x is sec square x, d by ds cot x is minus cosec square x, d by ds cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x, d by ds sec x is equals to sec x into tan x. You can write 5 times, at least 5 times daily. These are the formulas. And now the derivative of log x to the base e is 1 upon x. Here x is positive. X must be a positive value because the domain of log x is a positive. So the derivative d by ds log x base e is 1 by x. The derivative log x base a is 1 upon x log a base e. Other than e is the value like as a, and the derivative of log x base a is 1 upon x log a base e. Here again x is positive, a is positive, a cannot be 1. Now the next formula of dy dx of f1x plus f2x either minus. So we can use the formula derivative of first function. In place of plus we can using the plus sign, in place of negative we can use a negative sign, and the dy ds of f2x. Now differentiate 2 into x e power p minus 3 into e to the power x plus 10 e power x. We want to differentiate them. So that differentiation sign, that differentiation insert in all these terms. So we have differentiate 2 into x e power p minus, in place of minus same, d by dx insert in with that term. So d by dx of 3 into e to the power x plus that plus no change, d by dx insert again in the third term 10 to the power x, d by dx 10 to the power x. Now again 2 is a constant. By previous formula we can take out from that brackets. So we have 2 d by ds of x e power p minus 3 is a constant, 3 out from the brackets, so differentiation e to the power x plus, here is a no constant, so directly we differentiate 10 to the power x. Now the 2 is 2 same, x to the power p derivative by using the formula d by ds x e power n is p, so we can write p x e power p minus 1. Again here is important thing is that after differentiation we can use the term d by dx because they are differentiate. X to the power p by using the formula of x e power n is p x e power p minus 1. Minus 3 is same, d by ds e to the power x, their derivative is e to the power x by using the formula, d by 10 to the power x using the formula e to the power x, so their derivative 10 to the power x log p base e is their answer. Further, example 2, if y is equals to 10 to the power x plus x to the power 10 minus 3 sin x plus 5 sec x plus 7e, so find the value of d by dx. It means the question the question convert in the language y and find d by ds. So question we have y is equals to something function, so we can differentiate with respect to x both sides. So we have differentiate y is dy by dx, differentiation in all these terms, these are the terms as same. Now insert the differentiation in each of the term, differentiation of 10 to the power x, differentiation of x to the power 10, differentiation of 3 sin x, differentiation of 5 cosec x, and the differentiation of 7e as it is their sign. Now differentiation dy is same, 10 to the power x differentiation value is 10 to the power x log 10 base e plus x to the power 10 differentiation value 10 x e power 10 minus 1 x e power n differentiation formula minus 3 is a constant out from the bracket, sin x differentiation dy ds sin x plus same sign 5 constant out from the bracket, d by ds of sec x plus, here d by ds 7e. 7e is totally constant because the term without containing x is called the constant. So we can taking out from the bracket 7e differentiation of 1. Now next step 10 to the power x log 10 base e same as it is because it will be a differentiable. 10 x to the power 9 it to be simplest form minus 3 d by ds of sin x by using the formula directly differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x plus 5 same differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x plus 7e differentiation of 1 is 0. because 1 is a constant and the derivative of constant is 0. Now we can arrange the term is the required answer.